Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get TikTok re-download after the ban. So simply open your app store, go to search option, search it to TikTok. So look here, when I'm trying to search TikTok but not showing it to TikTok apps because TikTok apps recently banned from US. So don't upset, I'm provide a solution. So if you want to follow my all process, then you get 100% back your TikTok. At first open your iPhone settings, click on to profile, media and purchase, view account. So look at this, I'm living in United States, so this is a main problem. So change this region, click on, and you just select any country without US and UK. So like I'm select France. Click on and fill up the all address. You just fill up my address same to same. If you want to copy, press on to next. So look here, now successfully changed my region. Okay, change my region USA to France. And the second step, I'm now still using USA Wi-Fi, so change this location, open App Store, go to search option, search it to VPN. When you search to VPN, then you get more VPN. I'm recommend you just download this VPN because this VPN is totally free and 100% safe. I'm already installed. So open. Okay, as you can see, select, like I'm select Canada. Okay, now successfully connect VPN. So look here, connect VPN, go out and open App Store again, find it to TikTok. Okay, I'm get finally back my TikTok. Just press on to download. Okay, it's downloading. After complete download, then you can easily use TikTok without any hassle. So I hope you just follow my all process, then you get back your TikTok.